Our fiber cement panels weigh around 20 to 30 kilograms each. Electric power tools, such as circular saws and electric drills, are used to work on the panels. Depending on the height of the building where panels are installed, the work may be performed on unstable scaffolding, which poses certain risks. Always use clothing and equipment suitable for the work in compliance with local laws and regulations to keep safety first. Now, we will show you how to prepare the building and walls where panels will be installed. Panels are fastened via furring strip, not directly to the building. Note that if this preparation is not done properly, it may lead to damage or other problems. Ensure the framing is done properly. There are some prohibitions that help ensure our products can be used safely. Please visit our website for more information. Next, we will show you the differences in installation methods used for each product.